dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I decided to do another Pinterest recreation. This is the photo and this is the look. So if you want to see how I got it, keep on watching. But before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. So let's hop on into it.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to go ahead and start off with some True Match Lumi foundation, and I've just got this on a flat top kabuki brush and I'm just going to blend it into the skin. This way you get a nice dewy finish. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape and just conceal a few places. And then I'm going to blend this out with my favorite like beauty blender type sponge. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Fit Me Powder just to set everything. And I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes for this orangey eyeshadow look using the Maybelline Master Prime. And then I'm starting with the Morphe Fall into Frost palette with a little bit of the like natural nude color. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a deeper brown and just kind of contour that crease a little bit. And all this is on the same fluffy brush, that way you don't have to dirty up as many brushes. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of glass copper. It's kind of like a reddy color. Just again to deepen up that crease. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a red copper color just to add some more dimension, kind of like the photo showed, since this is a little bit of an orangey look. And I'm just going to keep blending those out. This is a perfect look for fall. It's so orangey, it kind of reminds me of the leaves. After I get everything blended, I'm going to take a little bit of the Jacklyn palette and go in with Creamsicle just to give it a little bit of a lighter color to the crease. And then a little bit of Buns and Roxanne in that outer corner. Again, just to deepen everything up. Just to get everything a little bit darker, but not so dark, you know. And I just keep blending this. And then I'm going to go in with some ColourPop Lightning Bug. This is what's going to make that super sparkly look like she had on the photo. And I'm just using my finger to apply this. That way you get that nice sparkle. And then I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with the NYX Matte Liner and the Hard Candy Kajal Liner. And you guys have seen me do my wings 100 times. That's the same thing that I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to tight line my waterline gives the look a little bit more definition and a pop. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in and coat my lashes with some Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, just to kind of finish off this eye look. And then I'm going to contour just a little bit with the Maybelline powder and a little bit of this Frost blush. And then for highlight, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop. And lastly, for the lips, this is Berry Recognized by Wet n Wild. I think it kind of completes the look for fall. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye!